Justin with Lucky SOB Garage. Back out here working on the Crown Vic / C10. Today I'm going to just be finally getting the rest of the side panel off the original rocker panel off of the Crown Vic, so that I can finally start grafting the C10 body onto the firewall and hopefully floor pan. So that's what we're looking forward to today. A lot of this will probably be time-lapse because you're just watching me cut stuff. Cool. So now I can get that ready, build a bit of an A-frame to go around so I could anchor and swing that off of to get it set right where I need. Perfect. Perfect. That probably needs a little trimming up right in here. But for the most part, that should be able to get it in place at least. Fantastic. So, really short video this week. Obviously what you saw is what I got. Hoping to have help to move the C10 to the lower section where like the seats normally sit. And I'm gonna see if I can use my cherry picker and make a little like pivot to go off the end, to see if I can pick it up and move it into position while I cut out the floor. Hopefully that works out, and if so, then I'm hoping to start getting the cab fully in position and ready to be welded on within the next week or two. Anyway, really sorry that was all this video was. Really short, I think it was like 3 minutes. But yeah, if you like seeing any of what I'm doing, if you like anything that I'm doing, please like, subscribe, shoot me a comment, tell me how I'm doing horrible and I need to do better. Anything. Alright, well, you guys have a good weekend. Hopefully I'll drop another video in the next week. You guys have a good week. Justin from Lucky SOB Garage, out.